Check out the Door Blaster HB90ST, an incredibly effective door breaching device from Maryland company Holmatro. When executing a search warrant, speed and stealth are vital for a successful outcome. With its easy installation and fast, powerful operation, the Door Blaster is the perfect tool for SWAT teams and other law enforcement. This compact device is as effective as explosives without producing flying debris. And while an explosive charge loudly announces the presence of law enforcement to those hiding inside, and probably the whole neighborhood, the Door Blaster's lightweight pneumatic hydraulic pump unit produces absolutely no sound. The Door Blaster is suitable for use on high-resistance inward-opening doors with single or multiple locks. With its pump, air bottle, and converter carried in a convenient backpack, a single officer can install and operate the Door Blaster while other officers focus on the tasks at hand, like entering the residence and arresting the bad guys. The Door Blaster can be operated with a connected extension or with an optional remote control unit. When seconds matter, the Door Blaster opens the door to a safe and secure operation. This is the Third Arm, a new mechanical appendage designed to help soldiers become more effective. While soldiers could definitely use a helping hand in the field, they could soon be receiving an extra arm. Working under the U.S. Army Research, Development, and Engineering Command, the U.S. Army Research Laboratory has developed the Third Arm as a way to help soldiers evenly distribute the weight of heavy weapons. Anchored to the user's rear hip area, this extra bit of assistance functions as a quasi-gun mount. The stability provided by the Third Arm will allow soldiers to fire their guns with much greater accuracy, while also substantially decreasing fatigue. In recent tests with the 27-pound M249 and M240 machine guns, the Third Arm relieved virtually all the weight from the soldier's arms. If these attributes can be transferred to a real firefight scenario, the Third Arm could save many lives. The Third Arm is also being tested to hold shields and other equipment. With improvements being made based on soldiers' feedback, the Third Arm could soon see action on the battlefield. Introducing the Robattle, an advanced heavy-duty autonomous robotic vehicle from Israel Aerospace Industries. Perfect for assisting combat operations on the battlefield, this unmanned machine is designed to perform tasks that would otherwise be assigned to infantry soldiers. While it can be outfitted with tracks upon demand, the Robattle generally uses a 6-wheel configuration. Able to traverse uneven terrain, its advanced height-adaptable suspension allows it to scale low walls, platforms, or other obstacles with relative ease. The Robattle includes a modular design that can be easily configured with robotic arms, sensors, or radars for performing missions such as RT mapping, navigation, or reconnaissance. However, though rarely advertised and not shown here, this adaptable autonomous platform can also be outfitted with a deadly array of remote-controlled weapons and used as a full-blown assault vehicle. This allows it to perform missions such as forward guard operations, protecting convoys and troops, or even spearheading an attack. While the company also manufactures other robotic vehicles like the Guardium, the Rexfield Porter, the Robocom, and the Sahar, none possess the incredible versatility of the mighty Robattle. Check out the MQ-25 Stingray, a next-generation unmanned carrier-based refueling aircraft from legendary aircraft manufacturer Boeing. Intended to refuel jets like the FA-18 Super Hornet, the EA-18G Growler, and F-35C Lightning II Joint Strike Fighter. The MQ-25 is among several competitors vying for a place on the U.S. Navy's most formidable aircraft carriers. Having spent 90 years delivering some of the world's most feared carrier aircraft to the U.S. Navy, the company hopes this sleek flyer will soon be accepted. With its ability to carry an unbelievable quantity of fuel, the MQ-25 will be able to greatly extend the combat range of carrier-based fighters. For example, this otherworldly autonomous jet could extend the range of the FA-18 Super Hornet from 450 nautical miles to a mind-blowing 700 nautical miles. Its ability to integrate seamlessly into carrier operations definitely gives the MQ-25 a leg up in the competition. In addition to fuel, the MQ-25 could potentially be outfitted with missiles. Fast, efficient, and capable, the MQ-25 is ready for the flight deck. Meet the Talos, or Tactical Autonomous Aerial Logistics System, a prototype self-flying helicopter from Virginia Company and Boeing subsidiary Aurora Flight Sciences. An advanced prototype of the company's ACUS, or Autonomous Aerial Cargo Utility System. The Talos is designed to provide ammunition and supplies to warfighters without risking a human pilot. After receiving the general area of its destination from its programmers, this pilotless chopper uses its advanced AI system to plot a course, avoid impending obstacles, and find a suitable landing area without human assistance. Though its autonomous systems are envisioned to be used in a variety of helicopters, the original ACUS program used the Bell UH-1H, or Huey, for the initial flight trials. Even in its early stages, this autonomous chopper was capable of impressive flight characteristics. Using a dedicated tablet program, soldiers could soon be ordering a pilotless Huey to deliver their much-needed supplies from the safety of support positions near the battlefield. Having performed well in its initial stages of testing, this experimental autonomous flight system could one day be used on almost any vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Check out the Electromagnetic Railgun, a powerful prototype projectile weapon from global company BAE Systems. Created as a proof of concept for the U.S. Office of Naval Research, BAE's railgun is capable of incredible power and projectile speeds. While gunpowder-propelled projectiles can reach speeds of 2,700 miles per hour, this brain-bending creation can fire its projectile at a stupefying 5,600 miles per hour. Instead of using explosive chemical propellants to launch its deadly ordnance, electromagnetic railguns accelerate a conductive projectile along metal rails using a magnetic field powered by electricity. The projectile also contains no explosives, as its sheer speed creates unfettered devastation upon impact. The U.S. Navy has also been testing a competing prototype to the BAE railgun, the Blitzer, from San Diego-based General Atomics, originally installed at the Naval Surface Warfare Center in Dahlgren, Virginia. The Blitzer incorporates the same firing mechanism and OSSIV destructive power as the BAE model. Though both guns possess comparable power and projectile speed, the Blitzer has actually been tested at sea. With the potential to be used for direct fire, missile defense, and long-range ballistic attacks, the railgun could soon take its place in the mighty arsenal of the U.S. military. Introducing the Arrowhead 140, a stunning new warship design from British corporation Babcock. The Arrowhead 140 is the company's proposed design for the Royal Navy's competition to replace old frigates with new Type 31 frigates, engineered to meet and exceed the ever-changing challenges of global naval warfare. Each of these 460-foot warships includes the combat-proven Tacticos Open Architecture Adaptable Combat Management System. The Arrowhead 140 is designed to be highly configurable for a wide-ranging list of naval requirements. For state-of-the-art sensor capabilities, the advanced NS-100 radar system can be easily incorporated into the design. The adaptable bridge wing, extra docking areas, and flexible mission bays allow for any combat contingency. The computer-driven iFrigate Intelligent In-Service Support and Monitoring System offers improved systems availability and reduced operating costs. The Arrowhead 140's flexible and resilient build strategy involves the manufacturing of vital systems at diverse locations throughout Great Britain, resulting in increased economic prosperity. If accepted, the Arrowhead 140 could soon take its place among the mighty British Navy. Presenting the Ground X Vehicle Technologies Program from DARPA, the U.S. military's Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. To meet the challenges future combat vehicles will inevitably face, the Ground X Vehicle Technologies Program is developing some astounding new technologies. The V-Pane system, or Virtual Perspectives Augmenting Natural Experience, uses multiple vehicle-mounted video and LiDAR cameras to create a real-time 3D model of the vehicle and its surroundings. This allows the vehicle's occupants to remain completely enclosed while maintaining situational awareness. The Orca system, or Off-Road Crew Augmentation, will predict the safest and fastest route for off-road combat vehicles. When necessary, Orca can enable the vehicle to drive itself while avoiding obstacles. For military ATVs, the enhanced 360-degree awareness with virtual window system includes an advanced 3D near-to-eye goggles, an optical head tracker, and wraparound active window display screens. Used with a windowless cockpit, these tools provide the driver with high-resolution views outside the vehicle. To enhance combat vehicle mobility, the in-wheel electric in-hub motor will offer heightened torque, traction, power, and speed over any terrain. These innovatively designed motors can fit inside a standard US military 20-inch rim. Finally, the METS, or Multi-Mode Extreme Travel Suspension System, enables high-speed travel over rough terrain while maintaining driver comfort. By perfecting these technologies, the GroundX project will improve the mobility, survivability, safety, and effectiveness of future combat vehicles. Which of these military inventions impressed you the most? Tell us in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.